Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna review the new bomber. So, this is a Russian hypersonic strategic bomber. It's called, I'm not gonna pronounce the name because I cannot. So, for the stats, it got maximum of 23,725 durability, a speed of 133 knots, the afterburn of 189 knots, so that seems pretty fast. A 63.7 points maneuverability, 12-kilometer view range, aerial visibility of 5.72, surface visibility of 5.30, underwater visibility by 3.63, my bad, and a stealth percentage of 6. So it got 3 missiles. The one is a hypersonic missile, got 110,000 damage. This is another missile, and this is a grenade launcher. So we're gonna test drive it real quick. So for the look, it does look pretty good. It's like a Russian SR-71, and for the speed, it's 700 something, but it's not upgraded yet, so I'm not gonna have an accurate number. Let's do a damage test real quick. Okay, 110, almost 110,000 damage. And this is anti-flare, 40,000. This is another one, anti-flare too, 100,000. So that's a pretty good damage. We're gonna do a full burst now. Mm, 245,000 damage, which is not bad. We're gonna see if any weapons is anti-submarine. Okay. Seems you cannot detect any submarines. Honestly, it's a very good bomber, not a bad one. It's like a KBX when it was first released at 250,000 damage. It's pretty fast. Is it worth it? I would say yes, it is worth it because it is pretty fast and the first Russian hypersonic bomber to be like this kind of design. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments.